Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I show you how to change or customize your fitness activity rings on both your Apple Watch and your iPhone. Here we are first on my Apple Watch. You can see here that I go to the activity rings, I go into them, and then once I'm in the activity rings, you can see when I scroll down to each individual goal, like move, exercise, I can tap the plus minus button here and go into a interface where I can go and either add or remove a duration or a goal and change it for either that day or just for, in totality. So change it for every single day. And that's how you do it on the Apple Watch. Now, when you want to do this on the iPhone, what you want to do is open up your fitness app on your iPhone. So you can see you have a summary when you open it up here. And then under summary, you'll see the activity rings. You want to tap into the activity ring box there. And then you're going to see for every goal, move, exercise, and stand, there is a plus minus button on the upper right-hand corner of the interface. If we tap on that plus minus interface, we can then adjust the goal for specifically today or change the daily goal for every single day. So as you can see, I changed the goal for every day, and I can go and either add or remove minutes per day for my exercise goal, and then I can just tap in change exercise goal, and it's already changed. So for the stand goal, I can do the same, tap into the plus minus, go to change daily goal, and then I can remove that or add that, and then go ahead and go to change stand goal, and the goal will be changed for that specific activity. That's it. That's how you change it on both the Apple Watch and the iPhone. If you have any questions, put those down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.